What's up, guys? Check out this. My first plane. Cool make model. Links in the envelope. We're going to go check it out. Yeah, pretty excited. First plane. Let's see how this bad boy goes. But it's a 1/16 scale World War II military version. Piper J-3 Cub. It's got a brushless motor, 4-channel. It's also got 6-axis gyro, intelligent stabilization system. Pretty sweet. Doing this one-handed, so let me put the camera down and we'll open it up. Well, there she is. Awesome. Alright, good, it's ready to run. You get a spare prop, some tools. There's your USB charger for the battery. Here's your 2.4 gigahertz controller. And there's the plane itself. You've also got your instruction manual and some decals if you want to put them on. But yeah, man, these have come a long way since I was a kid. This foam's incredible. There we go. Landing gear. Got what are those, rear stabilizers. Pretty sweet. Good paint job. I'm just looking at it. Like I said, this is my first. I'm like, oh wow. Yeah, look at that paint job. Obviously it's foam, but from a distance you don't really know. That's what I mean. It's come such a long way nowadays. There's your micro servos for your ailerons. Got your landing gear in here. There we go. It does have springs to mitigate some hard impact, I assume. Let's have a look at the fuselage. How cool does that look? It's got some pretty good detail. Got the engine up the front. Got like the cylinders coming out of the side with your exhaust. Nice prop, nice spinner there. Yeah, fuselage looks great. Got your servo inside the fuselage there for your rudder. Just on this side, just like that. Got some nice detailing there as well in the canopy. Yeah. How awesome is this? What do you guys should I get some more planes on the channel? How do I open this? Maybe I'll read the instructions. Well, there's the instruction manual. Gives you basic instructions how to put it all in. Vertical stabilizers. Obviously your main wing up top and all the other things that go with it. Forgot to mention, here is the battery. It's a 7.4 volt, 650 milliamp hour, 6,000, yeah, 45 minute runtime, but 650 milliamp, which should give you around about 5 minutes runtime, and that goes underneath here. I'm gonna flick it open. There you go there. So I'll put this bad boy together, and yeah, let's see how she looks. It does have a nice, well, I won't say it's rubber, but it's actual foam for the rear, and the main ones here. Yeah, they're like a foam as well. Well, look at this. Planes all together. Look, you can hear the gyros. It's going crazy. Here's the battery just hanging there, making sure it's all happy days. Give it some, you can hear the servos going crazy. Give it some throttle. Awesome. Alright, next step. Let's see how we go in the air. Sorry guys, scratch that. The weather's been crappy, but more importantly, my local flying field has been closed. Apparently the government is putting a road through and they close the field down. So that sucks, but as soon as I can find somewhere to fly this, I will. Now, it's a little bit, I think, well, I'm only a newbie, so probably a park might be a little bit too small for me. I need a larger field, so sorry guys. Anyway, here it is. Looks awesome, like I said, and hopefully it won't be too long before I can find another flying field to fly this bad boy, because I would really like to get into planes and fly some more. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.